7. Talk too early. Oh, Indaba. Talking my business isintu. Nazo zonke indaba zabasha. Indaba.
If unje wazi ukuthi you are under the age of 18 or khona umuntu ongaphansi kweminyaka engu18 oseduze kwakho sesicela ke manje asidedele singena ke kwezathi abathe ukukhula. This is Sex Indaba. I have Dr. Mthembu with me. Good evening, Doc, and welcome to the show.
Good evening, Z.
It's women doing it for themselves.
Yazi siyenzana Z freely. And phela ukuthi yazi when women do it for themselves, yazi ama sports ukuthi ngithinta ephizi ngangithinta iphu uqinise kuphi Z, go deeper way.
Isn't it just so divine when women do it for themselves?
Oh yes.
Like kunaleyo nto nje yokuthi nje you know.
Uyazi
you know.
Kuphi. Z kade ngagcina sithandwa sami.
Ngiyaphila, Doc.
Hey,
how are you?
I am good.
See, now I'm here, you here, we all here. Nezithandwa zakho zikhona.
Yes,
nami ke zoba
izithandwa
izithandwa zami ke namhlanje.
For sure. I-threesome yabo. Yimi wena. Something
And
in between.
Oh my gosh. 0861-596-596. Mlaleli uyazi ke ukuthi that is the number to call ukuze nawe ke ube part of uhlelo lanamhlanje. Doc, namhlanje sithinta indaba ethi ayibe deep. Ethinta ke even ama emotions omlaleli wethu ethinta nje izinto ezahlukene ezingaphazamisa umuntu kwi relationship yakhe. Udaba lokuzixolela, forgive yourself nawe when something has happened which can actually affect wena kwi relationship yakho.
Sure, yazi in any relationship vele there's bound ukuthi kube nezinto ezizokuphoqa ade lezinto zenziwe kuwe noma zenziwe even wena. And it's important ukuthi when leyo nto leyo gap yenzeka kwi relationship ukuthi kube ne disturbance ukwazi to make peace with it so that you are able to move on.
Yes.
And that's not easy, especially if us blame ngokuthi hey it's my fault ukuthi kwenzeka ukuthi, because at the time uyenza into kumnandi awubona ukuthi lento izomaffecta kanjani lo muntu omthandayo.
Yeah.
But the minute usuba aware so realize ukuthi awe ngaze ngayenza iblunder, you know, ngaze ngamhetha lo muntu becabanga so much about me, lo muntu ube kade nginesidima esithize yena, ube ngithemba, ube ngitrusta. All of a sudden so aware ukuthi lo muntu usumphoxe kanjani. And that awareness on its own, by the way, ngithi it's good ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi ukubone lokho ukuthi ku wrong ngoba kunabantu abenza ama mistakes angaboni ukuthi ku wrong, abona ukuthi wena who was to blame. So it's an enlightenment kukodwa lokho ukuthi you're aware ukuthi ku wrong, ukuthi lo muntu engimthandayo nongithembile ngimphoxile. And most of the time the reason why you feel so bad is because suyamzwela phela manje lo muntu kade ungezwe ngesikhathi kumnandi wenza, but manje sunozwelo lokuthi ish shuthi lo muntu ufila kanje. But two, and very important, usuke usaba nokuthi uzongitreata kanjani yena back. Susaba i-revenge yakhe, susaba ukuthi mhlawumbe uzo reject angasakufuni. But more also the reason why you also feel guilty is also because if in relationship you say valuisha and uyasaba ukuthi uyilose nayo leyo relationship. But all in all it's very important ukuthi nawe yes uyafuna ukuxolelwa ngokuthi khona okwenzile, but nawe zixolele so that you are able to move on kwi process ukuthi niyakhe futhi relationship yenu.
Yes, mlaleli 0861-596-596. Njengoba ke ngike ngasho namhlanje we are discussing the importance of ukuzixolela nawe in a relationship. Kubaluleka kangakanani Doc ukuthi forgive yourself? Sesikhulumile sakusho konke all these things, but how much of an important thing ukuthi nawe as umuntu okhona ku relationship be wena wesilisa or wesifazane kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi nawe find it in yourself ukuthi forgive yourself so that maybe I relationship izo progressa ngendlela ethize.
You know, it's very important. Koqala wonke umuntu uyawenza ama mistakes and nobody is perfect.
Yes.
And just because wenza an action wrong doesn't mean wena umuntu wrong. And sometimes abantu who need to forgive themselves need to understand that ukuthi yes behavior yenzile wrong and accept ukuthi wrong lento oyenzile, but don't make it the identity yakho because the minute you do that wenza mistake yokuthi sugcina usuzibona wena worthless. And once you begin to see yourself as being worthless or valueless kwi relationship, so qala ngene into ezo depression, but also i-depression hamba ne-aggression ngoba omunye umuntu yes uba depressed azibona ukuthi ngikho right in but omunye usekhiphela lesibhongo kuwena futhi lo muntu afila guilty ngokuthi umhethile usegcina esekhipha lesibhongo kuwena futhi, which is then wrong ngoba sugcina uyayiqhubha futhi uyayiperpetuate lenkinga kulo muntu lo okuyena obuthi wena uguilty manje ngokuthi umhethile lo muntu. And of course, most of the time, abantu kusuke ukucheater.
Yes.
You know, that actually makes people feel so guilty ukuthi kule relationship ngonile because ngicheatile and so ubona sukudlulile ukuthi i-damage ingaka engiyenzile kulo muntu wami.
But enye into omunye umuntu angazibuza yona sisakuyona nje le ethinta i-cheating. So many things, even though partner wakho esazi ke mhlembe say usumtshelile upartner wakho ukuthi you know what I've done A, B and C and whatever, athi no I forgive you, things are never the same.
Sure.
Especially if nawe usanalokho ukuthi ngachitha now so lokuzi question maybe he hasn't forgiven me, maybe she hasn't forgiven me or whatever. But enye into engifuna ukuyibuza doc for I professional opinion yakho, what are some of impawu engingathi singazibona kwi relationship ukuthi you know what umuntu wami manje nengazi ukuthi engazi sengiyachithelwa engazi singidliwe izithendela, what's going on? Zikhona yini impawu?
Zikhona and uyamazi umuntu wakho and kunezinto sokusuzibona ukuthi leya connection leya yenu ayisekho naleya commitment kuwena ayisekho, sokunoma qashelana nje okhona la. But you know besides impawu ngoba ngeke zifane with different people, I do feel it's important ukuthi wazi nawe if kuukuthi uzojolelwa ukuthi people cheat for different reasons and I reason eyenziwe uThemba noSane noNomcebo angeke zifane. Okay, but egcineni kusuke kunento lo muntu angayitholi. And that's a fact. And ngiyazi isithandwa zami lento ngeke ifike kamnandi. There is something lo muntu le angayitholi kuwena. And kwabanye abantu we call it cheating. Angithi ukucheata kulelo donde lelo gama uyalibona ukuthi libi. Angathi uyagebenga. Cheat angathi umuntu uya cheating uyagebenga. That's because the society has made it cheating kube angathi into wrong. But truth be told kunabantu who actually kuma relationships abo they use ukucheata to boost the relationship, but abanye are even aware laba open relationship uthola ukuthi ba aware kubona it's not cheating but it's just having an affair and a relationship nomunye umuntu for whatever reasons. But umuntu nomuntu ucheata because there is something lacking kule relationship le akuyona. Sometimes that thing engekho, it's an emotional connection. You know, mhlambe kunento nogazi lenu ukuthi mhlambe uyamthanda uyamazi ukuthi uyindoda eright iqothi yasebenza lethi imali endlini or umuntu osifazane oright uyapheka enzeni, but khona nje lento igazi lenu lingashayisana, not necessarily ngocansi futhi, just a connection yenu. You know, I'll tell you something, abantu abaningi have sex and go into a relationship because kunento ethiza afuna ukuyizwa. Omunye uthi mina nomuntu athi yazi mengina lo muntu I feel free, yazi mengina lo muntu I feel like myself, yazi mengina lo muntu I feel safe, mengina lo muntu I feel loved, I feel understood, I feel kusuke kunento umuntu afuna ukuyifila mina nawe even emotionally. Uthola ukuthi yes niyathandana but mhlamba akayitholi leyo nto wena ozitshela ukuthi uyiko konke kuyena and akayitholi leyo nto then usegcina useyifuna ngaphandle. So that can be emotional. Sorry that can be emotional, but also it can be sexual. You know, mhlambe even nocansini yes uyakuthanda uyakubonda uyena yonke into but akayitholi yonke into ayifunayo kuwena ocansini usegcina usephumela ngaphandle.
But I do everything, like I give him all the positions, I lie however he wants me to lie.
Yes, yazi uyikenula uyivula uyenze yonke
I do everything. So
but maybe there is something, yes, some people have sex because they want to feel abused. Some people have sex because they want to feel dominant. Afila ngathi ngakwenza nyoma yini. Mhlambe kuwena uyakuhlonipha akakwazi nokubiza ngesinebe. But uthanda ukuthi alale nomuntu elizombiza ngithi hey wena sinebe amshaya menzeni.
No, asizwe you dog. No, mlaleli asingenise nawe kule conversation sikudlalele sikunikezile ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. I also want to hear owakho ke umbono. You can even give us some scenarios and some of your stories ukuthi wena yini mhlawumbe osudlule kuyona ukhona ke uDr Mthembula e-studio. Asiqale lapha ya ku Siyabonga esikhawini ku line 1 sikubingelele. Welcome to the show.
Hello ma uyazi.
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Sikhona nathi.
Ngizolise nje kokuphumana nje esihloko seni kodwa into engikhuluma nayo iya relate ngoba it's about khona indaba zokuthandana yabo. Okay. Ngicela ukubuza mina njengomuntu wesilisa kwenzeka yini uthandana nomuntu wesifazane ngibuzela udokotela uthanda nomuntu wesifazane lilale naye let's say silale ngoDecember last year abese ezongitshela like izolo as yesterday ukuthi she's pregnant. He felt like vomiting angaze wathwathwa hamba yakwadokotela wamtshela ukuthi pregnant but walala nami ngoDecember last year. Ikhona into enjalo. Ngicela ukubuza.
Yebo, that is possible ngoba kumele wena kodwa uthole ukuthi umithe nini nokuthi isisu sakhe how far. If ukuthi wena walala naye ngoDecember kuphela and manje soku June manje eyophela and yena usekutshela to meet suke wambona yini ngoba mhlambe ngempela uyasiqhuba isisu sika 6 months.
Ngike ngambona ube wafika la kubiza endlini yami la sakuthunane ngawo December yes.
Yeah.
Then ube wafika la endlini yami mhlambe 2 months back. Mayifika la endlini yami yes. Mayifika endlini yami she was like umuntu la cause yasebenza la sebenza khona e-Richards Bay ushoda ngemali yokugibela so umuntu like uzofuna imali yokugibela kumina ngimnikele and she slept over but akangafuni ukuzolala ekamereni nami endlini yabo walala phela sofa edayilini kwaze kwasa so akafuni ukulala nami. Okay wavuka wahamba but ngamnika le mali wayeyifuna nganga insista futhi ufuna ukulala naye because ngangazi ukuthi yini inkinga yakhe because sabuthi futhi uma ngabe ngimphoqa uzovohla picture bese simngimrephile or what. Okay ngamdedela walala wavuka le mali wayeyicela because wayela kumuntu oshoda le mali transport for umsebenzi.
Okay.
Then izolo noma ngisho izolo umuntu ongisendela imessage ethi there's inkulumo phakathi kwami naye ebaleke kakhulu yena she's pregnant and yena akazelale namuntu from December up until now and a couple of days back emsebenzini wakhe yena wazizwa ngathi uphethwe yikhanda angazi kwazi kanjani wahamba yakwadokotela bamtshela ukuthi upregnant. So into engibuze yona ukuthi from December if you were pregnant lawo ma-symptoms umuntu ophethe wa-receiver nje recently kadelele nomuntu lawo ma-symptoms lokutshela wena wa-receiver after 6 months but unayo ingane enye.
Manthetho wakho ufuna ukusiphika yini lesisu?
No, angisho ukuthi ngifuna ukusiphika but then ama-symptoms okuba pregnant like lezi zokuvomitha nani athatha isikhathi esingakanani kumuntu esifazane ukuthi wabona.
Okay, akufani. I-pregnancy yomuntu si divide akusithi ama trimester okusho ukuthi kunezinto ezithize noshintsho lenzekayo kumuntu wesifazane nomuntu wesifazane every 3 months every 12 weeks. Okay, now omunye uzwa kusaqalwa ukuthi upregnant and then after 3 months sokuthulila kanalutho. Omunye kuqale enyangeni yesithathu until inyanga yesi6. Yabona omunye banama symptoms thizeni from 6 upwards so ngeke kufane so ngeke udepende kuma symptoms ukuthi uzenini into yokuphalaza okusho ukuthi ube ngamithi so kungenzeka at any time ukuthi lento ivuke leyo kuphalaza nokuba nauseous yabona but Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
No. Yeah. No.
But look, wena you need depends ukuthi lo muntu umuntu oyi straight sakho yini or not, but there's a 50% chance ukuthi lengane ngaba ingane yakho, and mhlawumbe uzothi wena suzitshelile ukuthi ya withdraw ukho shongo ukuthi ingane yakho uthole ukuthi yakho lengane, and you had a responsibility ngesikhathi meet.
Yeah, because now we are with ngamthanda. Into yokuqala ngibuza yona mina ukuthi all along kade ngitshela ngani ukuthi kunama changes awabona emzimbeni wakhe.
Mhlawumbe bengekho.
The day efika la mina umuntu wayeshoda ngemali yokugibela wacela ukuzolala over la kwami. Why ngangitshela ngani lethi
wona le couchini
mhlambe yabona kukodwa lokho mhlambe wekwaliswa kukodwa lokho because ayinama symptoms. By the way, kunabantu besifazana abathola ama period even right up until leteta engaboni ukuthi u pregnant. So anything can happen. So angisho ukuthi ingane yakho mfowethu, but I'm just saying there's 50% chance ukuthi leyo ngane yakho. And
Sia, thank you, Patty. Let's give other listeners a chance as well. Thank you so much for equally. I think he got the answer that he did want. Akafuna kuyi-accepta uSiya. Asiye kuXolani lapha ya Olundi. Xolani sikwamukele ohlelweni.
Ngibingelele ithanda zami njani?
Sikhona sithandwa
sethu.
Hayi siyaphila. Xolani nanhla ngitholile impilo naseRun House.
Yes.
Dokotela yazi ngiyayizwa phethi yakho. So lapho Othandweni sekuze gcina lapho kuthitha khona so thanda abantu abathandana nabantu abangasithandi. Siyeke abantu abasithandayo.
Nkosi yami.
So mina ngeke ngathanda umuntu kanti umuntu akangithandi kukhona into eyifuna nje lapha kumina. If senze inkonzo yasekamereni 10 minutes awungapheli thothi usethu usekhathele mina ngikathi lapha engisafuna khona ngizwe ukuthi nami umuntu engimthandayo lo kanti yena akekho Othandweni ufuna into ayifunayo nje.
Imake baba, imake, wait. Wena ukhuluma ngocansi awukhulumi ngothando. Just because umuntu akafuna ukulala nawe akusho ukuthi akakuthandi. Okay. Khona kunjalo dokotela. Phela ngithi kuba idraw ufuneke if nami ngifuna ukunaye. Kwesikhathi dokotela ngifuna ngathi singaba nesikhathi sethu sobabili nje singenze ucansi sihlale. Sure.
Yena ngakufuni lokho. Mina wayefuna ukuthi sibonane mhlawumbe sithi sibonane nje emgaqweni afike mnike lokho noma yethi ufuna lunch sibone emgaqweni sinimeze lunch bese eyahamba nami ngiyahamba. Ilokho nje eyifuna.
Wekwenza ATM wakhe.
Into kanjalo dokotela.
Imake kodwa baba wena wawumtshela yini izidingo zakho ukuthi wena Othandweni yini into oyidingayo nento oyifisayo ukuthi ubudlelwano benu bube njani?
Ngangimtshela dokotela ukuthi ngifisa ukuthi kubeka kanjani Othandweni lethu sibe nesikhathi esiningi sethu bese senza ama budget ukuthi nami ekhaya kufanele ngithenge ukudla ngithenge ini after that ke okusala bese kusale ekhaya nami sengakwazi ukuthi ngikwenzeleke lokhu nalokhu.
Mhlambe phela wena nesikhwele nomona ukuthi wena imali uyidla kini awumnikezi bona konke. But you know but just because umuntu loyo wena kade uzimisele ngayo bokade umthanda akakunikanga lo thando lolu wena obulifisa nolidingayo akusho ukuthi awuzulithola olunye uthando. Okay? Sengisize ngigcina ngalithola dokotela ngilithole khona ngagcina senginengane nje khona lapho engibona khona ngiphethe kahle lo engizwana naye manje. Beautiful. Yazinike ngikutshela isecret enkulu mdedele nomunye umxolele futhi ubonge ukuthi wadlala ngawe ngoba manje usuthola umuntu oright angithi.
Hayi vele asinankinga siyakhuluma nje kodwa na uyazi ukuthi khona umuntu esengithandana naye.
Okay. Mxolele kuphume kuyena, okay? Phuma kuyena.
Le ukhuluma nwangizwa kahle. Ngisaxoxa. Siyabonga kakhulu Sithandwa. No.
Yeah, yazi why ngithi akaphume kuyona, because sometimes we make a mistake. Uthi usungene kwi relationship right oyibonayo nawe ukuthi hey wazwangisiza uThixo lo muntu lo entweni engiphuma kuyona ungcono ngayo yonke indlela. Kodwa ubhlungu nepain nokuphoxeka owakuthola kule relationship edlule kube ikona kuloku kudonsela emuva. Kanti kuyokonisa kufuna ulahle into ekhona ngento engekho.
Sure, but image doc, how do you I don't know, forgive yourself or move on ukhohlwe ilokho kunye? You know, sometimes if ukuthi uhethekile in a previous relationship or something has happened where there's some baggage esangaphakathi kuwena usuyongena in another relationship, as much as kukhona uthando kukhona nempatho nje nemfudumalo, you know, I don't know, mhlawumbe kungakucekela phansi kulento osunayo manje.
Yes, and it's important. That's why kubalekile ukuthi nenye relationship uphuma kuyona ungasheshi ucamalazele kwenye. Give yourself time to heal. You know, give yourself leso sikhathi sokuthi uxole and get over, but more understand ukuthi what went wrong kule relationship, because if ungazange understand and accept ukuthi kwenzekani kule relationship nokuthi nami ngine role engayidlala ngokuthi le relationship yonakala, whatever that role is, mhlambe you fail to communicate ama feelings akho nawe wa expect lo muntu ukuthi kube uyena ogivayo uyabona okunikeza izinto, but whatever the reason, now you had a role to play. And lapho you need to forgive yourself so that you can move on to the next person. Ungayiphathi le baggage ngoba uzogcina sushaya lo muntu omusha manje kanti uright yena, kanti akazilutho ngokuthi wena buhlukumezwa kanjani la uphuma khona. Uzogcina sumcontroller ungasafuni lutho angenzi lutho, mhlawumbe wakujolela lo munye manje lona umaka isikhathi sakhe wenzani usujaja lo manje ngento yenziwe omunye, meaning wena oyibelethe manje lento, wena ozenzayo lento akuyena lo obekhethile, but you are now doing it yourself. So give yourself isikhathi sokuthi udlule kuleyonto, find yourself, reconnect with yourself first, so that lo muntu omusha osengena ku relationship yakho nawe so ku easy ukuthi athole wena pure, not wena damaged.
Sure. Nakho nje ukuthi njengoba usho doc ukuthi forgive lo muntu o before, so that now uzokwazi ukuthi uzixolele and then start on a clean slate. 0861596596 siyaqhubeka ke nokuthatha ukuphawula kwakho mlaleli. Asiye lapha yana ku line 3 isibonele folweni. Welcome to the show.
Oh yebo sanibona.
Kunjani sibonene?
Ngiyaphila.
Ngihamba kahle konke kodwa.
Yebo mina ngithi okwami mhlambe kukhuluma ngayo kona i-topic about cheating enani, kodwa okwami it's not about ukuthi kumina owakwathi. Mina nginomuntu engithandana naye check uyaziwa yonke le, but mhlambe useke wangithethela kabi manje angazi ukuthi yabo sisakhubeka sathandana futhi ngesamthanda yabo ayikho into enkinga, kodwa abanye abantu sebeyakwazi ukuchitha abantu yabo. It's like ngasekakazi ukuthi ufike wenza ukuthi nokuthi yabo. Manje ngike ngiyibuze kona yana waqolisa kwa right esabuyelana sa right. Manje ngiyibuze ukuthi mhlambe mina ke ngokwami ne reputation yami ayonakali ngokuthi mina nginokuzikhosela umuntu yabo, ngokuthi mina mhlambe ngiyamthanda kanti yena mhlambe angithanda. Ukuthi mhlambe mina ngidlali mhlambe umdlalo ukuthi umuntu meseze wakuchethela kacayi kabili. Yabo usungasho ukuthi mhlambe usaphinda noma mhlambe usangakholisa. Mhlambe uphinde ukhole futhi, but wena unga-understand ukuthi wena ukhola ngoba mhlambe uforgive wangampela noma mhlambe ukhola. That's because abangi-understand.
Yeah, yes, but it's very important ukuthi uma umuntu wakho ekuchithelile uunderstand ukuthi yini eyenze ukuthi akuchithele, mhlambe kwayena akazi. You know, that is where i-therapy ingena lapho kwayena akazi, but kubalekile kunina nobabili ukuthi yini isizathu esimenze wachitha kuze nikwazi ukuyigwema lento ingabuyi futhi, ngoba naye for sure lekho nje ukuthi uxolisile waxolisa useyazisola naye akazi wekwenzelani lokho. But it's important nithole ukuthi why kuze ni avoid nawe lokho kuhlukumezeka lokho
uma like uyisole entweni 100 the same situation again uphinde futhi ukhole yabo. Iyona lento mina engikhombisa ngoba manje nabo mina futhi amoya kwenza lokho angeke ngifuna ukuhamba manje ukuthi mhlawumbe ngibambe ikrati noma ngiyaqhubeka ngimthande the same way engivele ngimthanda ngayo but manje ngibuka mina engayi-understand ukuthi esami isimo silaphi ngiyisilima noma kwenzekani yabo.
Yes baba, but you know I think wena awuzibuki ngamehlo akho, uzibuka ngamehlo ukuthi abantu bakubuka njengesilima, ngoba ngamehlo akho angaba ubuyelanga if buzibona kanjalo, but kuwena ubona wena ukuthi umuntu omthandayo lo and uyamukela nezici zakhe njalo. So yeka ke wena ukuthi uzibuke wena ngemehlo abantu ukuthi abantu bathi uthini ngawe isithunzi sakho in if wazi ukuthi uyamthanda,
ngithanda umuntu wami ngezwe
thanda umuntu wakho nje wena if uzi ukuthi uyamthanda kuphela, zamani ukuthi nobabili nithole usizo le therapy ne counseling so that number 1 na ungaziphindiseleli kuyena one day but 2 naye angakuphindi futhi another day. Okay,
okay,
yes. Okay, sure baba, good luck.
No, siyabonga kakhulu ku usibonelo lapha ya efolweni 0861596596 siyaqhubeka ke nokuthatha ukuphawula kwakho. This is a sex indaba. Ukhona ke uDr Mthembu uhleli nozilungile okamakhanya Mkhize. Sikhona ke nje simbokodo namhlanje. We are hearing ukuthi wena uthini, and then your professional assistant and your professional views akhona ke kudokotela uzokwazi ukuthi akulekelele ngayo yonke indlela. Sidingida lona ke udaba lana ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi nawe uzixolele kwi relationship okuyona so that izokwazi ukuthi ibe healthy, uzokwazi ukuthi niqhubeke ngendlela ethize eyaphambili nomuntu wakho.
Sure.
Yeah. Ku line 4 ukhona uanonymous I think is Mayville. Anonymous, welcome to the show.
Yebo, sabona kakasini ngimelele nje nadokotela.
Yebo ba.
Yebo, ayikhona la Mayville. Itopic ngiyayithanda impela ngoba namanje ngicabanga ensukwini. Lana dokotela nginomuntu wamdala ngesithana leminyaka impela nje miningi iminyaka sinengane. Ngimthithelile nje na phambili. Walibamba ibhubuke kakhulu. Ngizama ukuxolisa ngawo inkinga ukuthi abone ukuthi ngiyaxolisa, right? Inkinga yake la ikhona ke ukuthi mangabe ngibambe iqhubule angafuna ukuthi ngimthinte ngezandla zami nje uqhubeke nje nalo nobese impela nje sekuyindlela kancane kakhulu yabona nama lukhona lungayibi indlela efanele yona, right? Kanti inkinga enkulu ucansi ngiyalithanda nginjalo nje. Emva kwalokho phemva iminyakanyana futhi sithandene sengemva kwalokho futhi lelo ke kambe seqale seqola mangabe esho yena engaphinda futhi ngashibilika futhi yabo.
Awe
Manje la inkinga enkulu okay sengizizwa sengathi nami cha sengale sihlukane naye yabona.
Indaba
inkinga enkulu ngizazonke
indaba wena ubona ngathi sifile nihlukane ngoba ucansa kakuniki.
Ucansa kakuniki. Okwesibili ngibona ngathi ngeke asaxole ngathi izakhe silimele kakhulu ngoba ngisho noma mhlambe indaba yabo amakhansela ngiyabona yonke aphilizela kuyona yabona nje umuntu enokhuluma kathandi endizovumela uma uthi umuntu mangabe echithile khona esuke eshoda khona ngiyazama ukubona ukuthi khona eshoda khona kodwa futhi akafuni ukuthi yonke i-understand ayamukela ayibona ngendlela lena uvela ubona ukuthi blame yena ngokwenza izinto zami yabona into efana lezo.
Yes, one thing omhlambe ongeke ube aware kuyona. Number 1 usisi umchithelile wakuxolela wayiphula inhliziyo yakhe wakuthatha back waqhubeka. Yes, ukuwithdraw kwakhe ocansini is a sign yokuthi usazama ukuzipholisa ngaphakathi and to have some power yokuthi naye imizwa yakhe uyayibulala kancane ngoba unalento ukuthi lento bokadwinikeze omunye umuntu, so mnikeze leso space sokuthi aphole. But number 2 waphinda futhi wakwenza futhi lokho and still uhleli yena nawe. But number 3 even worse wena futhi osucabanga ukumshiya lo muntu. Now let me tell you damage osuzoyenza wena kulomuntu wesifazane. Lo muntu wesifazane uzomenza ukuthi number 1 azinyeze. Kwaloko nje first ukuthi ubumchithela all along already ngiyazi ukuthi ukhona ukuzinyeza kuyena ukuthi azitshela ukuthi I'm not good enough as a woman. Kukhona into engeyona. But each time umuntu abusile and ahlale ufaka leyo nto kuyena yokuthi angilutho yes angaba depressed but more angazangene even naku addiction uthola usenze izinto ezirong ngoba ethu yaziduduza the addiction can be utshwala can be other things even sex addiction uyabona kanti wena mhlawumbe you're not even aware ukuthi yena ucansi nokuthi umchithelile yena kusho ukuthini kuyena and mhlawumbe even the fact ukuthi ya withdraw kuwena sexually mhlawumbe awazi wena mhlawumbe wakwa abused esayingane sexually so when usuwenza lento wena kuyena again imkhumbuza how another man took power over her so ngithi mina if kuthi uthi uyamthanda njengobusho and ungalona indaba yocansi and so investile kuyena aku-investe kuyena hayi nina nobabili kuyena nje alone uma useku counseling athole ukutreateka ngokwengqondo ukuze amukele noma esiphi isimo but more kuze amukele i-decision yakhe if decide ukuhlala nawe kuze yena akwazi ukuxola ngoba omunye umuntu uthe sekuxolelile ukuthi umchithelile kodwa engakwazi ukuzixolela yena ukuthi kodwa ngimxoleleleni lo muntu ukuthi ube ngichithelile agcini enga kuyena lokho eyivusa over and over ngoba manje uzisola yena ukuthi hawu kodwa lo muntu wangenza isilima wangihlebe emphakathini wangenza kanti kodwa still ngisala kanti uyishaya yena akashayi wena so really
ngikuzwa kahle
so really my advice is save her for herself maybe not for you if wena so decide ukuthi uyamshiya but
no kodwa ngizobeka ukuthi ngisathi ngiyamshiya nalapho ngizama ukucabangela indlela ukuthi kathathe topic ndawonye sanda ngalo muntu lo yabona ngiyabona kokuba khona eduze kwakhe ngathi siyanginyanya lonto leyo ngathi sengiyamnyanyisa njena ngicanga ukuthi nje ngibone into leyo phambili benzi mangicela umunye umuntu abonke leyo sakha sathanda besesending ukuthi yahlukumezana yabona hayi ngoba ngimshiya ngoba ngithi campaign ngizama ukuthi kodwa indlela ukuthi ngizama yena kanje ngizama ukuthi thanda bengcono kodwa futhi ngiyabona izombulala kwaleyo nto leyo
imake baba mina nawe ngingakusiza I think kwa wena you need to figure out ukuthi why u cheat yourself so that
mina ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyazi
why you cheat
yabona nje dokuzobekile nje lana ukuthi khona umuntu osuba free mawunaye lokho kufunga naye yabona ngilihle yabona nje angili mina yabona umuntu uthi ngithela gqokile asonje ungidlalisa yabona ihlazo kubukwa ngalo uvele nje umuntu angazi ngachaza
ngithi so i-connection yenu physically ayikho right now okay kuvume lokhu kwazi now you need to make a decision ukuthi wena ungakumela yini lokho impilo yakho yonke ukuthi ube nomuntu ozogcina njalo ekwenza ufila like that okay and i-decision yakho le ufuna uyenze so that ungagcina usuba naye ngoba umhluphekela iba naye ngoba umdinga iba naye ngoba umthanda iba naye ngoba kwayena kunale connection enayo okuthi i-connection oyidingayo nayo
umuntu wesifazane ukushaya ingane sizikhule kanti 14 minutes ezalweni ndawonye yazi yakhula after isikhathi leso kuyalimaze kanjani mina kuba nje emotion ngingakho mhlambe egcineni engaze funa ukuhlambe ngicine ngizama ukusiva le relationship ibheka into efana nezo mhlambe
angiphindela ngikuzwanga kahle uvele wamemeza uthe ninengane for 14 years
sinengane na 14 years bona le ngane ivele ifike sihlala ndawonye isandawonye sengisho ukuthi campaign mushi umuntu mhlawumbe ingane lapho ziyelula kanjani ukuthi ngizamuke lento efana
oza ngikuhlebele ngifuna lento ngifuna ngiphendule ngifuna uyazi abantu ebekwizinga lakho abaningi indlela abarelate ngayo nabantu abathandana nabo is because of a relationship abayithola kubazali babo themselves. Now wena unomuntu wakho lo othayikho iconnection thizeni wena naye umuntu wesilisa naye umuntu wesifazane and awazi ukuthi leyo nto uyithathe phi yena ungathola ukuthi into ayitshencela naye ngokukhuliswa kwakhe abazali bakhe. Now you have got a responsibility kuleyo ngane na 14 years osuyizele ukuthi yona uma sikhula sikhetha indoda izoba umuntu onjani izoba ne relationship enjani nalowo muntu wesilisa eyogcina emshadile. So whatever decision you are making today, whether uyahlala nonina or not, or whether uyamchithela unina or not, or whether you decide ukushintsha konke kodwa lokho yazi ukuthi wena uyatshala kule ngane yakho yentombazane ngoba izothi masisikhula izofuna indoda exactly efana nawe.
Oh yes.
Thank you.
I think that's a point to think about lapho wena anonymous, but take that as uDokotela has said, because it's a lesson. Whatever you do, someone else can be doing the same thing too. Indodakazi yakho.
Sure, welcome. Yes, that you are welcome.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Mlaleli sizothi nje shwi kancane ezitolo sithi ukugwinya mathe nathi. When we come back uhlelo ke liyaqhubeka. This is Indaba iSex Talk namhlanje. Asivele nje doc sisale sesibuya ke ngolayini sithathe umlaleli wethu siyakwamashuke manje angazi why thiwe sesinqawunqaweni, but I don't know what they ngawuza there, but ke asithathe ulethu line 4 lethu. Welcome to the show. Kunjani?
Sanibona kuyisithando zami ke kasini ku Dr. Mthembu, nawe sesininjani yaphila?
Siyaphila. Sithandwa sethu.
Ngiyaphila nami. Ngiqala nje ngibonge kakhulu ku topic enikhuluma ngayo lapho. Ibaluleke kakhulu I topic ye forgiveness. So ngizoqala khona nje ngithi ukucomment khona bese sengivala ngize nama questions engizocela ukuthi uDr. Mthembu mhlambe engi-advise kuwona. So le part ye forgiveness ibaluleke kakhulu because I forgiveness Othandweni uma ubungayenzile so kuba inkinga ngoba uthando olulandela kuwena liba inkinga because usuke ungayenzile then bese kukhoza ama problems ngale. So it's very important ukuthi forgiveness leyo kufanele yenzeke uya ukwazi ukuyenza la sokufanele wenze khona so that uma uzo move on nempilo yakho ube right moya phambili.
Sure.
Yes, ngifisa ukubuza kuDr. Mthembu la ukuthi ilokhunyana Dr. Mthembu makwenzeka la uthi kunosisi ubuthana bengithana na before then bese nihlukana due to ukuthi owesilisa uchithile kulo wesifazane then manje yes so makuqhubeka isikhathi udate lawo wadatayo mhlawumbe kungalungi nakubona then you realize ukuthi labantu odlule kubona kuno muntu lo owadlula kuyena ofila as if lo muntu loyo uyena ngabe mhlawumbe yesube right and uyena umuntu ngawo kuthiwa mhlawumbe ufisa ukwenza ukwakhe ekhaya ubungalakha naye but it's just kwenzeka le yanto. So if you are going back lo muntu loyo uthi uzama ukuthi izinto naye ngabe kuyingozi kangakanani usubuyele kuyena uqhubeka nawe uthandana ngoba phela lezi zinto lezi kuyekuthiwa umuntu sifazana akaxoli wazi wathi omunye umkhulu sifazana akaxoli ngoba ngabe nezingane uyayilinda ingane ezikhule zithi bese ziyindala bese zimjikele because zose iside mawazo mawubaba ehlungezile. So lokho ufuna ukubona ukuthi kuyingozi kangakanani ukuthi kuphinde ubuyele emumva ekubeni kade kungazange ukwenze kahle before emumva. Yena umbusisi uma uthi ukhuluma naye uwilling ukuthi engakwazi ukuxoxisana na mhlawumbe nje nami singizizweni but just that mina kunaleyo feeling banayo if ngibuyele emumva kuvuka lezi zinto azongilimaza isikhathi masingisihambe siphambili.
Yeah, look, wena inkinga yakho ukuthi uyigwala. Okay.
Yes.
Uyigwala and you know uthando nanini always deserves a second chance. Nanini always. Ngoba ungathola ukuthi kwayena le khona uhlalethi the one that got away nanga umuntu engangimthanda kodwa wangiphoqa wangangithanda kanti akazi ukuthi wena suyithathile decision ukuthi uyena impela umuntu kanti manje uphethe ubugwala. So my advice is number 1, you need to be able ukuthi uthi masusuyoxolisa again ngoba ufuna uhambe uxolisa. Okay? And ukuxolisa kwakho umbonise ukuthi ngampela uyalibona iphutha lakho uzikhombe ukuthi bengirong la kanje kodwa ngenziwa ukuthi ngiyazibona ngiinsecure lana nani manje sokushintsheni kuzabona ukuthi going forward usuwomunye umuntu you no longer the same person. And it's very important ukuthi ngesikhathi uxolisa kuyena umnikeze ichance yokuthi avuleleke ngobuhlungu bakhe nanokuthi how much pain you gave her. Ngiyazi kuzobe kubhlungu nakuwena kodwa kulalele lokho ngoba kuyena ngesikhathi ekutshela ukuthi iimpact yento yenzile kuyena ibiyini nakuwena izongena leyo nto isinke so that you never do it again. So meaning ithi nyuma umlalele ngozwelo ngokuthi uthi kuyena mfethu nami if kokuyimina lento angabe ngifila kanje kodwa manje sengicela ukuthi sixole ngiyathembisa ukuthi ngoba into afuna ukizwa futhi ukuthembisa kwakho ukuthi ushintshe kangakanani. Now yabo lukhona uhleli ku 50%, u50% wakho ngabe uyes ungaba uno. Okay? If you don't do anything about it, no. But if you do something about it, there's a possibility ukuthi lo 50% wakho ube uyes ubelane and qhubeke. And umtshela usho Dr Mthembu ukuthi hamba ukhulume naye.
Uzoqala ngalokho ke.
Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Angize kulokugcinayo so ngidedela abanye abaleli beshine up. Okunye okwesibili like Dr Mthembu, ngumuntu like angisho nje ngami angiphuzi abhemi anginangani. So ukudata nowadays let's say u80% mangabe nje ngicheck benzele izinto ezengishilo ukuthi mina angizenzi. So kuyingozi kangakanani lokho ukuthi even if you feel like kufanele manje uthatha umuntu but most uthatha umuntu oyi opposite nawe into oyiyona kuyingozi kangakanani kulowo umuntu oyimina ngathi ngithatha lo muntu kanjalo because ngiyacabanga nje yes ngabe uyaphuza onengane yabo into njengalezo because njengoba ngishilo mina ukuthi anginayo ingane entangiphuzi kodwa manje khona lento phela ekugcineni umuntu mayekhula khona isikhathi la kufanele khona eganwe ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi ake ekhaya but uma ubuka isimo indlela okwenzeka ngayo kuya confuse so kumuntu njengami mhlawumbe njengami mhlawumbe kuyingozi kangakanani lokho kumina kwenzeke noma ngikwenze.
Iminyaka yakho mngakhi?
Ngizothi 31.
Okay, look, iminyaka yakho 31 even if ungathola umuntu oku age yakho bayi few ababaningi kakhulu abangasenazo izingane and if lo muntu lo othweni uyamthanda it's not about i-baggage ayithwele it's about yena ne-connection yakho ngoba uzothola intombazane eyintombi into ephuma endonini engakazithintwe umuntu enganangane engabhemi kodwa uzothi masusuyithintile suyishadile ikushintshela ikujolele ikufebele kwenzele zonke izinto and mhlambe awuthandi wena ngendlela othanda ngayo lo onengane. So musu kujudge ukuthi i-society ithini wena zizwa wena ukuthi yini oyithandayo ngalomuntu if kukuthi uyaphuza and mhlambe uneshosho ukuthi awumfuni umfazi ophuzayo or you know you can handle it talk about it uma senibuyelana ukuthi ayisana sami nginalento ukuthi ngiyazi uyaphuza but please phuze ekhaya ungaphuzi in public lime nama rules enu okuwukuthi njengoba senibuyelana indlela enizozama ukuthi ni governation relationship yenu ngayo.
Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu Dr. Mthembu. Ukuthi ebengifuna ukubona kakhulu kulokho yes ngumuntu obelievelayo ukuthi kufanele ngizenze, kufanele ngezinto zami. But even if ngizenze izinto zami, kufanele sibuye sikuconsider ukuthi izinto endlela kwenzeka ngazo azingilimazi yini futhi ezesikhathi sami njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngangayilalela society kuzinto engikhuluma ngazo but mina ke personally angilimali yini mina ungathi ngenza izinto eziningale ngoba ekugcineni ngingalinyazwa yinto engiyibonayo nami lento le ibingangilimaza ukuthi let's say ngisukola umuntu olengane anginangane ukuthi mina no I vele ngizovala society ukuthi ngingakhulumi but mina ke personally angilimali yini ngalokho.
Okay. Sure. So yonke into is according to your values. When uvaluesha kanjani ukuthi umuntu unengane. If leyo nto weighs 70% then miyeke ungayi again. If it weighs 30% or 20% then it's worth looking into ukuthi unqobe relationship yenu.
Yeah, no. Mlaleli ke 0861596596 siyakuthatha ukuphawula kwakho kanti on Facebook it's Alex on Indaba it's Indaba with Alex kanti ke asiqale nje ngoGumede uB uthi ke abantu besifazane abakwazi neze ukuxolisa khohlwa nje ukuthi umuntu wesifazane uyoke axolise and then uthi ke uThembi Mtambo thank you so much ladies it's such a deep topic you are talking about forgiving yourself. Unkure Ngcobo uthi ke isociety esesiphila kuyo ladies seyasifundisa ukungancengi now ngaphandle nje kokuncenga akuna hope and peace emphakathini esiphila kuyo kanjalo nakumuntu. And then uPeter Babalwa uthi I guess I'm one of those who are being touched by today's topic. I left my fiance ngenxa yezimo eziningi nje kubhlungu ukuhlukana nomuntu usamthanda but ke life happened bese kuseleke nje ukuthi kwakunenkinga eziningi but nami ke kwase kungaphezulu kwamandla. And then we have unhlakanipho Gift Gumbi uthi long time ago mina I told myself ukuthi everything happens for a reason so I just heal and I move on and lokho ikona okungisizayo mina empilweni yami.
Yeah, you know into engizwayo from most of ama comments ezithandwa zethu ukuthi many people have got expectations, you know, and yes, once on an expectation and your expectation yangenzeka ngendlela wena expecta ngayo then uyaphoxeka. Even nalabo bathi abantu besifazana abaxoli or umuntu akaxolisi, it's because when expecta lo muntu ukuthi axolise ngendlela ifunwa wena, kanti you need to know that sometimes even if umuntu othandana naye ukurongile, they will not apologize ngendlela wena oyidingayo, but accept indlela yakhe apologize ngayo njenge apology, but don't expect to be right. You know, because the minute you expect to be right and not to be apologized to, then you end up building a grudge. Mhlawumbe ngento engekho uthi bengifuna asho lamagama, bengifuna axolise kanje ngoba it means ufuna wena lo muntu azehlise and feel shame more than anything so that you can feel big. So then who's the devil lapho phakathi kwakho naye?
Asale sesithatha ke uMoses lapha ya eshowe. Moses, welcome to Indaba. Kunjani?
Ngibingelele umsakazi, ngibingelela abalaleli. Njani umsakazi?
Siyaphila sizowakho umbuzo. Sithatha owodwa nje kuphela ngoba manje isikhathi nakho sengase siyashaya impela.
Mfethu mina into engifuna ukuyisho uMoses Khumalo, there's a very important ukuthi ukungena othandweni ubiza ukuthi uqale wena uzixolele kuqala uma ukuthi ubukade uhithekile. And then futhi lonto iyasiza ukuthi uma ngabe ungena une-scratch uqale uthole i-counseling. And ngoba uma ngabe i-counseling ungayenzanga lo muntu uzosuke ozothi efika ufika laphana esehlukumezeka because une-scratch osuke usuhamba ngaso. There's a very important nje kuleyo ndawo ngiyabonga.
No, siyabonga kakhulu Moses. Asale sesithatha Smanga ku line 4. Smanga emzinto, welcome to the show.
Yebo njani?
Sikhona Smanga, sithathe nje owodwa nje kuphela umbono wakho baba.
Yebo ngithi mina lana lisihloko senisihle kakhulu kodwa ke mina udokotela bengifisa angilaphi niyala dokotela angisambingile la.
Siyaphila baba, uphilile nawe. Awuza ngikulaphe boy a quickie uthini?
Yebo mina nginenkinga lana ke ngiyafisa umxolelo umuntu wami phambilini ngihethekile. Manje into eyinkinga ezizinto ngamchazela kwangathi angizodwa njengamanje ngibone ngazuthi uqala phansi unama script ngoba kuthanga ungifonelile engazi angifonele ngishalo call back so mese sekulethu uyafona uthi ufonela omunye umuntu ngiyam-answer uzuthi mina uvala ifoni vakalokho mase ngimbuza uyaphika so angazi noma yimina yini onenkinga yini ofuna ukulapheka noma kwayena angisamqondi noma yena usefuna ukuhamba ngoba ngamchazela indlela engihetheke ngayo and unezingane zami ngiyisupporta ngenza yonke into emezama ukuthi ajabule ngiyamthanda inkinga dodela manje angazi ngasidakala kanjani.
Uyazi boy
and kushoda kancane nje ungiqede ngimshade ngiqhubeke nempilo manje angazi ngimele ngenze njani.
Okay, lalela
ngikhalile dog.
Ncese mfana wami ncese boy lalela ke awukume ngeendaba zokumqeda, okay, indaba zamalobolo because okwamanje udinga ukulungisa irelationship yakho, okay, kuze wazi ukuthi uyafuna yini ukoqeda ngoba egcineni ungenzi into ezogcina isikulimaza ngoba mhlawumbe kwayena akakabi ready manje hayi ngoba engakuthandi mhlamba ke akekho ready ngoba uyazisola naye uyashaya and usaba ukuthi mhlawumbe wena ufuna ukumphindisela kungabe into eziningi uthola uyazinyeza naye ku relationship yakhe. So very important nawe mhlawumbe indlela oyibheka ngayo i relationship mhlawumbe nawe suyacontrola kakhulu ufuna umcheck ukhuluma nobani ungifoneleka ngakhe mina ngikufonele namhlanje ungifonelanga njalo ngoba ubhlungu nawe boy manje uyadinga ukuthi ukumukele lokho mfana wami ukuthi ubhlungu kube okay ukuthi ubhlungu inhliziyo yakho ngoba uyamthanda lo muntu uthi uma suzinesile wazikhotha wena izilonda zakho then mase uyamthatha umhlalise phansi ukwazi ukukhuluma naye kuqala umbonise number 1 ukuthi wena uzimiseleni ngaye okay but uzwe nangaye yena uzimiseleni ngawe uzimiseleni ngerelationship yenu kuze niqale ukuthi le relationship yenu niyakhe kabusha futhi and angeke nithathe lesikhona ngoba likhona manje noma nomonakalo phakathi khona le ndinga continue nihlehlele emuva niqale afresh izinto zenu nithembisane afresh ningabukani ngala mehlo ukuthi ubani ungihethile okay boy
yebo hayi ngibonga kakhulu Dora ngiyabonga kakhulu mhlambe nje lapha okunye nje ukuthi mengikhuluma naye uyakhombisa ukuthi yena mhlambe uyafisa ukuthi sakhe nomuzi kodwa nje ngibe ngingazi ukuthi kubuye kushayisephi
sometimes umuntu wesifazane boy ubokumnikeza isikhathi nespace yes umnikeza isikhathi nespace sokuthi abone ivalue yakho ukuthi naye akukhumbula sibone isidingo sakho ngoba if usu too much uyamenza ukuthi angaboni ukuthi kwayena ukudinga kangakanani yes umbonisa ukuthi uyamthanda but also umtshela ukuthi you know nawe uyadinga ukuthi naye akubonise kungabe uwena njalo all the time omnikeza ipressure okay
hayi ngiyabonga kakhulu
Thank you so much Isimanga asale sesithatha Anonymous Emlazi welcome to the show Anonymous usakhona
Hello
Yebo kunjani baba
Ngiyaphila njani
Siyaphila asithathe nje owodwa owakhumbuza kudokotela
I'm not Emlazi it's Uppington
Oh okay oh yes hey how are you
I'm very well thanks and yourself ladies Yes, umbuzo wami la dokotela ngengaba ne problem relationship yami. Ngine girlfriend before la data enye because ngine problem kule enye u-A and B.
Sure.
So mangithandana nalenye yesibili ngahlala phansi ngayichazela ukuthi yazini angena umuntu who likes to cheat namantombazane but kule relationship ngiyayi relationship when you are the second one. But into eyenzakalayo ngisafuna ukuyilungisa back le relationship ngiphume out le relationship ya A ngihlale nawe 100% because I don't like to cheat. So lo second one was a virgin.
Upi.
So yes, second one a virgin so we were trying to measure pain then masalala naye kuba ukuthi siyayeka because I don't want to go rough because angithanda ukuba rough towards kumuntu esifazane. Apparently into eyenzeka ngaxabana nabo boy 2 sahlukana nje ngahlukana no A ngahlukana no B wentombazane. So mahlukana lo u B wentombazane uyena wangala. Akasangifuni yonke leyo nto ngakwamukela ukuthi okay akasangifuni ngazama ukumbiza for date sixoxe ukuthi inkinga ibe kuphi wangayiveza iproblem. Okay also found out yena umuvile on relationship yes uB and then uA ngahlukana naye completely vele umuntu engihlupha ngahlukana nangahlala ngasingile ngahila ngenza yonke into
okay imake Anonymous asivele nje sifikele egcineni kwayo le ndaba because isikhathi sesisiphelele kahle
yes what happened manje senginengane no B everything is going well but I problem wabuya ngimene sengeseyona virgin.
Sure.
Okay.
And what was happening lo muntu wayemshela uyena owajola naye. Wathi sebuya futhi sejola le usiyabuya kumina selona virgin ngakwamukela lokho sara. But only now and then unezinto ayipointa kumina of which is zikhombisa ukuthi siyaxabana ngisho sixabana kancane
okay Anonymous let me bring in uDoc because we really out of time and the story sakho is going a long way
mhlambe Anonymous uyofona ngelilanga ngizoshiya inamba zami lana and you need to come in for counseling ukuze sikwazi ukukusiza but I think uAnonymous une regret ukuthi lo muntu yaqhobhozwa womunye umuntu
and it wasn't
him but we'll talk about it another time I think nama voice notes
thank you so much Anonymous but sifuna ukubashiya ngaphandle nabama VN ngothathile uFacebook ngothathile ama calls let's go to the VNs
sanibonani ke balaleli nami ngingomunye owaya kudokotela umthembu olapha eBottles Hill uyasebenza ngempela ukuthi kangazazi ukuthi ngiphethwe yini khathala amalungu omzimba ngingathandi ukudla ngiphalaza ngasebenzisa ke treatment yakhe ngiright manje ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma nabantu ngibaluleke futhi ngiyakwazi futhi nokuzisebenzela ekhaya anginankinga nje ngikahle nje ngingowasehadingi.
Ngiyabingelela emsakazweni usibongile nyide lokukhuluma eMatmori. Ngifike kadokotela ngaphatheka kamnandi nabasebenzi bakhe, ngafika ekhaya elikhululekile. Nginomzimba obuhlungu, ngikhathala, nenyawo zibuhlungu, neqolo, kodwa manje sengizizwa sengiphilile.
Ngiyabingelela emsakazweni, ngaya kadokotela nginenkinga yokusheshe ngifike kuvuthondaba nokukhathala komzimba, kepha ngokuya khona ngalithola usizo. Ngiyabonga.
No, bayazwakala doc. Yes.
Isikhathi was a quickie.
It was a
quickie. Doing it for themselves.
No, we were able to touch every spot.
Yes,
we touched every spot.
Udokotela utholakala eMedilution. Inumber zethu zithi 031 765 8475. Cell phone 061 4622 45 iseMedilution. uJuly is men's month, angithi siphe. So sine special sabantu besilisa eMedilution. Uyachatha, sikhipha inyongo, sivula imthambo endukwini kuze ukwazi ukusebenza kahle. Mofikile nje ufuna ispecial sasegagasi, uzosithola leso special. Sikhipha inyongo, siklina izinso, sichathe, kuzobe kuyi special only for abantu besilisa.
Only for abantu besilisa.
Yes.
So now if I'm coming with uPatin, oh okay, no, it's fine. But ke sikhona ke leso special guys lapha ya eMedilution. Lolu hlelo kwelididiyelwe usiphelele Nzuza kanti ke in the hotkeys ukhona ke uColin, isibonge kakhulu uColin, also uQ. Thank you so much gentlemen. Dr. Mthembu, thank you so much. Angazi ke noma ngoba ngikhona next week Thursday.
Indaba, special open line on Mondays at 7. Talk to Alex. Indaba, talking my business is into. Nazo zonke indaba zabantu.